Okay, so in this video, I wanted to introduce you to my favorite ebook info product creator. It's an editor called the Papyrus editor. I believe they somewhat rebranded or possibly bought out this other company called Your Story, so they kind of have like a double branding thing going on right now. I have not used this in at least 6 months, so I'm just logging in for the first time. Doesn't look like much has really changed, but one of the biggest advantages is you can create an ebook for free. And if you do decide you want to turn it into a Kindle formatted or EPUB formatted ebook, you can choose to do that. So that's a really, really nice advantage. I think it runs about $20, unless of course they've changed the pricing. But it looks like right now, pretty much the same as what I remember. So I'm going to log in and I'll show you kind of how it works. Here you can see a couple of the books I was working on. So I'm going to go into the Fiverr on Tap book. And here's my editor. So everything is very straightforward. I have across the top here all the different settings and pieces that I can use to build this out. I can set a different background. I can insert images, text. I can check the word count. So in total, I've got about 3,000 words. That gives you some idea of how long, how long the book is. It's almost like a really epic blog post. And you can build out the different chapters here, which is how I was able to create the very simple syllabus. And then these are all broken up into pieces. So these are really just images, and of course a lot of the text style and things like that. This is like a special heading text, all the links. That's how I was able to insert all this and just make everything look really nice with the different orange colors to kind of flow with the theme of the cover. And it was just very, very easy to create all the chapters. They had a built-in page for the copyright, and I just edited it, threw in myself. This overall just really makes your book look a lot more professional, and for something that's really only going to be, if you're looking to launch it between $5 and $15, whether or not you do decide to put it up on Kindle, this is a very, very easy format to use. So I was able to do this completely for free. I believe if I hit publish, let's see, free. I was trying to see if I could find the costs for you guys, but I would say just explore a little bit. And really, I just wanted to show you the editor, kind of give you an idea of what you'd be working with. It is a very, very easy editor to use. This is another really great thing about the editor. You can see here, this is actually the ebook cover that I use, this one over here on the left. And I was able to just modify that. Of course, it doesn't look quite as nice as mine, or I'm sorry, mine does not look quite as nice as that one. But they have a lot of different templates that you can pick from out of here, so this really gives you a good place to start. So just wanted to show you guys Papyrus Editor. I'll leave a link and you can check that out for yourselves. Let me know if you have any questions on this.